Yeah, yeah. Jeder geht's. Ruhig.
Abby, sila Red, Tori, Kylie, sa lahat sa aking banda.
Performance of the Year, Blaster and the Celestial Clowns, Homo, Kapajo, Juan, Pintura, Shelly, SSS, Stop Song.
Yeah, what's up, Wishers? Maraming salamat sa Wish. Laging may opportunity kami dito sa platform nyo. Thank you so much. You're doing so much for OPM. Salamat sa lahat ng Wishers na nagboto para sa aming kanta na Statue with Lil Eddie. Lil Eddie, if you're watching, thank you so much for making me part of your song. It's a classic here in the Philippines. Love you, bro. And let's keep making music. Mabuhay ang OPM. Let's go!
James Reed and TJ Pepe, Janine Bertin, Ilis Moya, and Pan, Tayo Lang May Alam. Kian Cipriano and Ice Segura, Feels Like It's the End of the Line. Looney featuring Chris Lane, May Nanalo Na. Shirebound featuring Jan Roberts, Looney.
And the exclusive collaboration of the year award goes to... Who do you think it is? Jay Serene and DJ David! Over here!
Patungo sa'yo ang aking piling at di isa lang sinasabi ng piling. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing. And it'll be gone when I'm at you. I love the touch of your hair. And when you look in my eyes.
Sugod, Jay Mara, Andang Pananon, Flick G, You and I, Player 2, Una Lagi, Flow G.
All right? And the Wish Hip Hop Song of the Year is...
Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
Multo Capitano!
Thank you on behalf of EMI Records Philippines, ang label po ni Tim, UMG Philippines, management po niya. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na pagsuporta kay Tim. Mabuhay ang OPM! Thank you!